Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Ba'as means star of prophetic mission for the guidance of people. The Ba'as, according to Shiite point of view, was the beginning of prophetic mission by the Holy Prophet occurred in Rajab 27, 13 lunar years before Hijra, June 25, 610. Before the mission of the Prophet peace be upon him began, most people of that region were idol worshipper. Other divine religions had some followers in different places of that region. However, after the beginning of the mission of the Prophet, peace be upon him, Islam expanded, and idol worshipping was wiped away from Hijaz. The anniversary of the beginning of the Prophet's peace be upon him mission is among the celebrations of Shiite and is known as Eid al-Mab'ath. Ba'as of the Prophet peace be upon him has occurred when he was 40. When the Prophet peace be upon him was in the Hira cave in the Nur mountain busy by contemplating and praying, he received the first verses of Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Read in the name of your Lord who created.
And later, the revelation was continued by the first verses of the Quran. He told about his prophethood first to his wife Lady Khadijah and his cousin Imam Ali. For 3 years the Prophet peace be upon him didn't invite people in public, rather he would invite secretly and the new Muslims would perform religious acts in secret. Ba'as has a very remarkable position among Muslims. It actually is the beginning point of Islam, the religion that in its early years had few followers and difficult circumstances and later expands to the whole world and attracted numerous hearts. The beginning of all of that crucial change is Ba'as. According to historians, this great event happened on Monday in the Rajab 27 in the 40th year after Amul Fil, and 13 years before Hijra. According to authentic Shia sources, the Night of Miraj happened in midweek or in Qadr nights in Ramadan.